Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make blueberry oatmeal muffins. This is a healthier version to your typical blueberry muffin. I'm replacing some of the flour with healthy oats. We're using fresh blueberries, and there's no refined sugar in these muffins at all. I'm replacing regular granulated sugar with honey. This video is part of a collaboration put on by my friends Christy from Christy's Farmhouse and Melissa from I'm Merely Melissa. The theme of this collaboration is to focus on healthy recipe ideas. You can make anything from breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, to snacks, but healthy. And I chose my blueberry oatmeal muffin because I think it can be used as a breakfast and also a snack, so it's a win-win. Be sure to check out the links for Melissa and Christy's channels, as well as the playlist. The playlist is going to have some amazing creators, and you'll get a variety of healthy recipe ideas. I'm really excited to share this recipe with you, so let's get started.
Okay, so before we even get mixing or whisking, we need to do something first, and that is mix 1 cup of oatmeal in 1 cup of milk, and you're going to put that aside for about 20 minutes. That way you can get all of your other ingredients ready, preheat your oven, melt your butter while you're waiting for this. In this large bowl, we're going to whisk all of our dry ingredients together. This is 1 1/4 cups of flour, and we're going to add a combination of baking powder and baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. And as always, I will have this recipe in the description below. Just give it a good whisk. No need to sift here. Oh, and we're only using a bowl. We don't have to even pull out the mixer. That's another little added bonus. Let's set this aside and bring in another bowl for our wet ingredients. We're gonna add in, this is 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. And here comes our honey, which is replacing our refined sugar. Here's our vanilla and our egg. And one mistake I made is I should have just whisked this egg ahead of time. I like to do that. It's just a lot easier, but we'll just do that now. But as you can see, just a little mix of these wet ingredients. We're gonna pour our wet into our dry. This is coming together really nicely. Now we're gonna add in the oats that we soaked in the milk. The reason I soaked the oats in milk is because it will make a really creamy, thick batter, and that's what you want. This will cause the muffins to rise and be poofy, I guess you could say. So we want something that has some moisture in it and tastes delicious, of course. The only thing left to do with mixing the batter is to add in our blueberries. But before I do that, I'm going to coat the blueberries in flour, and I'll tell you why. I'm gonna take my 1 cup of blueberries and I'm gonna add them to this small bowl, and I'm gonna put in just a little bit of flour. I don't really have a measurement for this. I just kind of guesstimate. I eyeball it. We're gonna mix the blueberries with the flour. This is going to make sure that the blueberries don't sink to the bottom of the muffin, but this flour is gonna make sure that the blueberries adhere to the batter and don't sink. Pretty smart. Let's take these blueberries and just get them in here. If you have extra flour at the bottom of the bowl, don't add it. Just the blueberries, and just fold them into the batter gently, like this.
I've gone ahead and lined a muffin tin with liners, and I'm gonna start scooping my batter in. We're gonna be filling our muffin liners full. And you're thinking, wow, that's a lot. And it is. I'm gonna tell you why. I preheated my oven to 425. And the reason for that is because when these go into the oven at 425, the burst of heat is going to make the batter just rise up. We're just going to rise. After 5 minutes, I'm going to turn the heat down to 350 and allow them to cook the rest of the time. That way the insides will be able to cook. But if you want nice tall muffins, that's what you do. Well, our muffins are out of the oven and they're cooling, and I think they really turned out well. I can tell just from picking it up that it's going to be really light and airy, delicious to eat. Give you a little look here, blueberries all through. I'd love for you to make a batch of these muffins and let me know how they turn out for you. They're really simple, and they're freezable too, so you can just pop one out whenever you want. Again, added benefit, breakfast or snack or dessert, whatever you choose. Don't forget to go into the description and click on the playlist where you're going to get a lot of other ideas for healthy meals. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you join the channel. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.